China has introduced a new generation of armored warfare, the Type 100, also known as the ZT-100, a fourth-generation main battle tank designed to redefine battlefield tactics. This platform represents a radical departure from traditional tank design. Instead of relying on heavy passive armor, the Type 100 focuses on active protection, advanced sensors, and network-centric warfare. At the core of the vehicle is a fully unmanned turret. The crew, consisting of a driver, commander, and gunner, is housed in a protected armored capsule located at the front of the hull. This capsule is isolated from the ammunition storage, significantly increasing survivability in the event of a hit. The turret itself contains the main weapon system, a 105mm smoothbore gun equipped with an automatic loader. The ammunition capacity ranges from 30 to 40 rounds, with a firing rate of 8 to 12 rounds per minute using digital targeting systems. One of the most advanced elements of the Type 100 is its GL6 active protection system. This system includes dual 4-tube launch modules capable of intercepting incoming threats, such as anti-tank guided missiles and loitering munitions, at distances between 10 and 30 meters. Situational awareness is handled by a complex sensor of Нового поколения. 4 ASA radar panels provide full 360-degree coverage, allowing the tank to detect threats, including drones, at distances of up to several kilometers. These radar systems are complemented by optical sensors, including infrared cameras, thermal imaging systems, and ultraviolet detectors, creating a layered detection network. The crew interacts with this data through augmented reality helmets, which provide a full 360-degree video feed, effectively making the armor transparent from the operator's perspective. Mobility is another defining feature. The Type 100 uses a hybrid diesel-electric power plant producing approximately 1,500 horsepower. This allows the tank to reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour on roads and around 50 kilometers per hour off-road. In electric mode, the vehicle can move silently for short distances, significantly reducing its infrared and acoustic signature, a critical advantage in reconnaissance and ambush scenarios. The operational range reaches up to 600 kilometers using diesel power with additional silent mobility in electric mode. In terms of dimensions, the tank measures approximately 9 to 10 meters in length and 2.2 to 2.5 meters in height. Its weight ranges from 35 to 45 tons, depending on the configuration of modular armor. Compared to traditional main battle tanks, this represents a reduction of up to 30–40% in mass, improving strategic mobility and deployment flexibility. Production has already begun at facilities in Bio2, with an estimated unit cost ranging from $5 to $7 million. For comparison, this places the Type 100 between legacy systems and the most expensive Western platforms, while offering a fundamentally different operational philosophy. The Type 100 is not just a tank, it is a network node. It can exchange data in real time with drones and artillery systems. It coordinates with multiple launch rocket systems and aircraft. This allows it to engage targets beyond direct line of sight using external targeting data, effectively turning it into a mobile command and control center. According to military analysts, the Type 100 represents a shift toward lighter, smarter, and more connected armored forces, where information dominance replaces sheer armor thickness. Like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest military technologies and future warfare systems.